Hello, it's Annette from CDI Linkit, Clinical Documentation Specialist Services. I was out shopping just a couple of days ago and it's the first week of October, and I have to say I was shocked that Christmas decorations are already out for sale in the shops. And it got me thinking, as it does come towards the end of the year, we do look to do a bit of housekeeping in our workplace. And one of those housekeeping things to do at the end of the year is setting up your Excel workbooks for ready for the new year, ready to go on leave, or if we're so lucky, or just ready for the beginning of the year. So I thought today I would share with you something that I've put together. It's in Excel, of course, because that's where most of our workbooks are. And I've created a one-click solution to setting up your new worksheets. And so stay tuned and we will get onto it. So I have opened up a workbook that I've just created for this demonstration, and it's got a lot of dummy data in it, and it's just a data list for 2024 and a training delivery worksheet for 2024. And so what I've done, I'm just going to go to the training delivery. I have put this one little button here and it's one click, and I'm going to get you to watch the magic. So it's going to copy the worksheet without any data. Just click it. It's going to ask me to enter the row number where the column titles start. So in this instance, I've actually highlighted it. So it's row number 2. So I'm just going to put 2 and click OK. And there we go. And it's saying the worksheet has been copied with headers, formulas, formatting, table structure, and objects above the column headers. Click OK. And there's our new worksheet ready for 2025. So we can just go in, right click up here to rename. And if I just get in the right position, I can delete here and just put 2025. And there we go. So we've gone from 2024 to 2025. And as you can see, the button has followed as well. And it works for next year. Okay. All right, so I've opened up a new workbook with some data in it. This workbook is called Test, 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 and it's just for the purposes of this demonstration. And I need to find developer up in my customize ribbon, and it's not there. Now, some of you may have it, so you can miss this next step. For those that don't, which includes me, anywhere where there's a space, whether it's here or over here, it's up to you. Just right click, customize the ribbon, and a pop-up will come up on your screen. And if you scroll down to developer and just check it or click it, tick it, whatever you prefer, and then just hit OK. And then developer will be here on your customized ribbon. All right, so we're going to now click on to developer, Visual Basic. And then this is where your VBA code will go. So just check that you're putting it into the right workbook, because I've got a couple open. So I've got, it looks like I've got a few here. So go to this so find out where your workbook is, and then this workbook. So I'll just click on there, and I'm just going to copy the code from the VBA code and create copy worksheet, which I will have a link to in the comments, and you just click on there and you'll be able to access it. No worries at all. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm actually going to just put it here, paste it in as I should. I'm going to click save. Now I can click out, and I've clicked out. So what we want to do now is create, insert a row above. So I'm just going to left click on the row over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to go down to insert. It inserts a row. I'm just going to make it a bit longer, give myself a little bit of room, because what I'm going to do is insert the shape. So insert shape, and I'm going to go rectangle with rounded corners. You can pick whatever shape you like. It's personal preference. Just going to pop that in here. You can then play with that. I like to make it, especially because it's in Excel, I like to make it the green color. And then you can type whatever you want to call your button. I'm just going to call it copy worksheet without data. Oops, sorry, without data. But again, you can call it whatever you want. Your choice. All right, so we're going to click back, left click back on it, right click, and down here you can see assign micro, because what we're going to do now is assign that macro. We're going to assign the macro, that VBA coding that we just created. We just put into the this workbook. So we assign macro, and this is coming up. So you just need to find the right one. Well, hang on, we'll go to this workbook because I think that'll get rid of, yes. So if you've got several there and you know that there shouldn't be, go to this workbook because we've put the VBA coding in this workbook. So go here and you'll find the one that you want. So I'm just going to highlight it and click OK. There we go. And now we can watch the magic. So fingers crossed it works. All right, so we're just going to click on. And so it's asking, I'll move it down so you can see it. It's asking to enter the row number where the column titles start. So I've highlighted that. So it's column 2. So we're going to put 2, click OK. And there we go. Worksheet copied with headers, formulas, formatting, table structure, and objects above the column headers. And we're going to click OK. And there's our new worksheet ready for 2025. So we can just rename, right click, rename, and we can just get rid of copy and the 4, and it's now the 5. And we have our workbook ready for the new year. It's as easy as that. So there we have it. You are ready for the new year, and you can just do that for each of your main worksheets. It'll just be a little bit of effort this year, but next year, all of those magic buttons are on every, or magic, I don't know what I should call it that, but those command buttons are on each of your worksheets ready for the following year to do the same thing. Okay, so as always, be passionate, be innovative, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.